If you ever struggled to come up with a newsletter name, you're not alone. Many creators actually find themselves in that exact same position at the beginning stages of getting their newsletters up and running. Angel Marie here, creator educator at ConvertKit, here to teach you how to create a newsletter name for your business. Let's get started. Your newsletter name is a part of your brand, which means it's a small yet essential detail to engaging with your audience. Creating a newsletter name can help you build brand awareness, it can help you look more professional, and it helps create exclusivity given the content that most newsletters hold. Now, here's what feels like the hard part: actually coming up with a name for your newsletter. To help you with this, you can follow our two-step method: associated word brainstorm and plugging in terms to creative naming formulas. Brainstorming names related to your content can have significant impact on what readers assume about your brand. So start by making a list of words that include your name, your niche, and your unique perspective. You could also try using formulas to help you with this. For example, you can add an adjective to who you are and what you do. You could try using puns or play on words. You could use alliterations, or you could even do something simple like naming your newsletter the same name as your blog or your current podcast. Now that we talked through how to come up with a creative name for your business, let's go ahead and walk through how you can actually build your newsletter right in ConvertKit. Step 1 in the newsletter creation process is to first decide how you want to gather emails onto your newsletter. So let's begin by building a landing page to accomplish this. Choose the newsletter category option on the left-hand side to get access to landing page templates specifically built for promoting a newsletter. From there, choose the template you'd like to use. Next, you'll customize your landing page. Name your landing page at the top left, give it a really strong headline, a subtitle, a high-quality image, and add additional content pieces to make your landing page stand out even more. You can even add newsletter feeds to show off your best content by visually showing viewers the previous newsletters you sent out. Feel free to customize the order, display, and the text color too. To enable your newsletter feed to appear on your landing page, as we just did here, all you're going to do is click into the broadcast page in your account. Then, from the sidebar, click the toggle next to Enable on Public Feeds. When you're done creating your newsletter landing page, click Save and Publish, and then head to Share so you can begin sharing your landing page to attract subscribers to your newsletter. Now comes the time to actually send out your newsletter to those newfound subscribers. First, you'll want to create a newsletter template. Head to the drop-down menu in the upper right corner and click Email Templates. Then, click New Email Template. From here, choose the template that you prefer to use on a consistent basis. Next, you'll start customizing what you want this template to look like. In this case, we'll give our template a name, a headline, which is the name of our newsletter, a subtitle, a branded background color, link color, and button color as well. When you're done customizing your template, click Save. Then, head to the Broadcast tab and click on New Broadcast to send out your newsletter. From here, choose who you want to receive this newsletter. Will it go out to all of your subscribers, or maybe you'd like to filter it down to a specific group? When you're done specifying, click Next. From here, choose the newsletter template you just created. Then, start writing your email. Give it a subject line. Write the content that you'd like to go inside of this email. And you can even use that familiar plus button to add more creative components to your newsletter too. When you're done writing your email, click Save, Next Step, and then you can send your newsletter immediately to your subscribers or schedule it to automatically send for you on a specific day, time, and minute. And that's how you can easily create and send your beautiful newsletter right in ConvertKit. And that, my friend, is all it takes to create a newsletter in a matter of minutes. See for yourself by signing up for ConvertKit down below for free. Thanks for watching and keep creating.